Here we go, I'll video it.
What are you doing?
As we come in, as we get the excellent lighting shots here. As the swaggiest of the swaggest men, with balls of steel, approach the water fountain of doom.
The Damien full stone of water.
Oh, they turned it off.
You know what? I don't even care.
Ooh.
Do it, or it shows that you're not enough.
He's not a man. He already
He's not
knows
man.
that.
He's a
He's
bumblebee.
gonna beat me.
That's okay, let him. He's the one who's
All right.
going to...
Now as we scope, you have to be able to turn it on somewhere.
I'm sure there's a switch.
There has to be.
Life is much better down when it's wetter.
Under the sea.
Come on, Sebastian! Oh, shut up, man. Tapas. Tapas, not Sebastian.
He's climbing at 42 fucking hertz. Alright.
Beat the chest!
Not Sebastian! We're up at 20 hertz, baby!
Jump! I shall catch you!
Oh.
$20 right now if you put your pants down and do shit.
Do it!
Yes.
Fucking slippery.
Dude, do a backflip into the pool.
There's totally room to pull it off. You'll nail the landing, man. Fucking
Nail
nail
the
it.
Sorry?
Anything you got there,
Do a backflip! Backflip!
Do a flip.
Do a flip!
Trevor, do a backflip.
Yeah, Travis would.
Yeah.
Hey, Ben. Ben.
Travis
would
would get
do a
naked
flip.
and do a backflip.
Travis would do a flip.
I've got to do a double flip.
Do it. Do it.
Don't you drop that name around here.
Oh shit, are we getting in trouble? No, we're not. That's alright. No, it's okay. She was.
You'll get
She
down
walked
with a flip.
the other way.
Oh, God.
Oh shit.
It's fresh.
Go, Kev. Yeah, get in there and catch him because he's gonna
Look out, I'm gonna...
get in.
Come on. I help you.
Hang on.
I help.
Calm your tits.
My tits are calm.
Oh, I'm jumping there. Look out.
Yeah.
No. You gotta push.
You're gonna have to catch him.
No.
I got you.
I caught you into the pool.
That's not naked though.
I didn't climb up there, but you
I
know.
didn't see my crush do that.
No, fuck no.
Swag on.
Swag walk. Down, chicka, wonk, wonk.
Oh.
Chicka, wonka, wonka.
Harlem Shake walk.
What the fuck was that?
It's a Harlem Shake walk.